Concrete Raising and Repair. Today we're going to be raising concrete at about a dozen residential locations at Kresswood Trails in McHenry, Illinois. And you know, we get asked a lot of questions like, why does concrete settle? And you know, there's various reasons why your concrete may sink. Erosion could be one of them. But you know what? A common denominator is the fact that concrete is so heavy. If it wasn't so heavy, it probably wouldn't sink so bad or as often. So, you know, when you're going to have your settled concrete raised, it makes sense to raise your concrete with something that isn't going to add a lot of weight. You know, adding weight to fix a settling concrete issue doesn't make a lot of sense. So, you know, there are differences between what we do and the old-fashioned method called mudjacking. Mudjacking utilizes a slurry that can weigh, you know, between 100 and 150 pounds per cubic foot. Our high-density, lightweight, very strong polyurethane only adds 4 pounds per cubic foot additional weight. So not only is it very strong, it is extremely lightweight, and we're not adding weight to an already compromised area. So, you know, our polyurethane, it won't change shape or degrade to any significant degree for decades, but yet it's very powerful and will raise the heaviest of slabs. So hope you find that information useful, and now we're going to run through some time-lapse videos to show you what we're doing here at Kresswood Trails. We hope you enjoy. Thanks.